Eid Mubarak. May this Eid bring you and your family uncountable happiness and blessings. Ameen. Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. Eid Mubarak. I pray that your Ramadan has been one of self-reflection, self-improvement, and of gaining closeness to the Creator. May we be blessed enough to see another Ramadan, inshallah. Wishing you all a day of love, a sense of togetherness, and many blessings. Eid Mubarak. May Allah protect and guide you. Rejoice in the blessing of Allah and share the joys of life around us. Eid Mubarak. May Allah accept it from you and us. May we continue to shower His blessings and guidance upon us, and may He bring victory to the Ummah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wishing you and your family a blessed day. May this Eid bring joy, peace, and prosperity to you and your family. May Allah accept from us and from you. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. May the blessings of Allah be with you and your family forever and always. Eid Mubarak. May Allah accept our prayers and shower His blessings on us. May this Eid bring lovely and endless moments of joy and happiness in your life. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. May the blessing of Eid bring you joy, peace, and prosperity. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Ya Allah, fill our life with joy, happiness, and success, and with your love. I wish you all a very happy and peaceful Eid. May Allah accept your good deeds, forgive your transgressions, and ease the suffering of all people around the globe. I pray to Allah fulfill all your dreams. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. Eid Mubarak. May the blessing of Allah fill your life with happiness and open all doors of success now and always. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. May Allah's blessings be with you always. Eid Mubarak. May this Eid bring you and your family a gift of uncountable blessings, successes, happiness, peace, and joy. Ameen. May Allah answers of all your prayers and give you the strength to fulfill your dreams. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. May the Almighty accept your prayers and bless you with the rewards of Ramadan. Have a safe Eid. Eid Mubarak. May Allah bring you joy, happiness, peace, and prosperity on this blessed occasion. Wishing you and your family on this happy occasion of Eid. May this Eid ul-Fitr bring you joys unlimited. May all your wishes come true on this holy day, and may you and your family be blessed. Eid Mubarak. When the moon of Eid arises, it brings happiness and excitement with itself. May your life always stay filled with such amusing excitement and happiness. Eid Mubarak. May the blessings of Allah fill your life with happiness and open all the doors of success now and always. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. May this Eid brings bundle of happiness and blessings for you and your family. May the guidance of blessings of Allah be with you and your family. Happy Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak for you and your family. Wishing you and your family a blessed Eid filled with love, compassion, and togetherness. I wish the love, prosperity, and happiness of Eid always be with you. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. May Allah grant all of your wishes this Eid. Happy Eid Mubarak. Dear friend, I wish you a wonderful Eid ul-Fitr. May this Eid celebration be filled with joy, love, and blessings for you and your family. Eid Mubarak. Sending you warm wishes on Eid and wishing that it brings your way ever joys and happiness. Remember me in your prayer. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.